Hey guys, look at this Hot Wheels ramp. We got many cars. Whoever gets the top wins. And every car gets 3 tries. Let's see who's gonna be our winner. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put our first car. Here's our first try. Let's try number 2. Oh no, it went flying. Alright, let's put on the next car. Wow, it made it to 2nd place. Alright, let's get another car. Here's the first try. It almost bumped him away. 2nd try, and it bumped him away. 3rd, oh no, it went flying. Alright, here's the next car. Wow, it's in 2nd place. It's gonna stay in 2nd. Here's the next car. 1. Let's try it again. 2. It's got 1 more try. And 3. Nothing. Alright, let's go ahead and put the next car. 1. Alright, 2nd try. 2. Alright, let's go for 3rd try. And 3. Oh no, it bumped him up to 1st place. Alright, let's get our next car. Let's go ahead and get it ready. Alright, first try. 1. 2. Oh, it bumped him off the ramp. And it's staying in 2nd place. Alright, next car. 1. 2. And it blew him away. Alright, here we go with a 3rd try. Oh no, we shot too far. Alright, let's go ahead and put the next one. 1. Alright. 2. Alright, it's gonna stay in 2nd place. Let's put in the next car. 1. Oh no, it pumped him up to 1st place. 2. Alright, let's go ahead and stay in 2nd place. Let's put the next car. 1. Whoa, it blew all the cars off the ramp. 2. It's gonna stay in 2nd place. Alright, let's go ahead and put the next one. 1. It blew him off the ramp. 2. Whoa, I don't know how it did it, but it got stuck in 1st place. Alright. 1. Oh, it bumped it down to 2nd. 2. Alright, next car. Let's go ahead and put him. 1. It bumped him back up to 1st. Oh man. 1. Oh, bumped him back to 2nd. 2. It's gonna stay in 2nd place, and that means it's the overall winner. Whoa, guys. I can't believe I won 1st place. That was so much fun. Alright, let me get charged up. Here we go. Woohoo! Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.